Jalapenos, the small but mighty peppers that pack a punch, is more than just a fiery addition to your favorite dishes. These vibrant green peppers are not only delicious but also offer a plethora of health benefits. Whether you're a spice enthusiast or just someone looking to add a little zing to your meals, here are compelling reasons why you should consider incorporating jalapenos into your diet. 1. Rich in nutrients, jalapenos are a nutrient-dense food, providing a good amount of vitamins and minerals with minimal calories. They are particularly high in vitamins A and C. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining healthy vision and immune function, while vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage and supports immune health. 2. Capsaicin, the powerhouse compound. The primary compound that gives jalapenos their heat is capsaicin. This bioactive component has been extensively studied for its numerous health benefits. Capsaicin is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as arthritis. Additionally, it has pain-relieving properties and is often used in topical creams to alleviate pain from conditions like arthritis and muscle strains. 3. Boosts metabolism and aids weight loss. Capsaicin in jalapenos has been shown to boost metabolism by increasing the rate at which your body burns calories. This thermogenic effect can aid in weight loss when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise. Moreover, the spiciness of jalapenos can also help curb appetite, making you feel fuller for longer and reducing overall calorie intake. 4. Supports heart health. Eating jalapenos can have a positive impact on heart health. Capsaicin helps lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. It also promotes the dilation of blood vessels, which improves blood flow and decreases the likelihood of clot formation. Additionally, the antioxidants in jalapenos help prevent oxidative stress, a key factor in the development of cardiovascular diseases. 5. Anti-cancer properties. Several studies suggest that capsaicin has anti-cancer properties. It can induce apoptosis, programmed cell death, in cancer cells without harming healthy cells. Capsaicin also helps prevent the spread of cancer cells and reduces the growth of new blood vessels that feed tumors. While more research is needed, these findings are promising and indicate that jalapenos could play a role in cancer prevention. 6. Improves digestion. Jalapenos can improve digestion by increasing the production of digestive enzymes. These enzymes help break down food more efficiently, ensuring better nutrient absorption. The heat from jalapenos also stimulates the secretion of gastric juices, which aids in the digestion process and helps prevent issues like bloating and indigestion. 7. Natural pain relief. The capsaicin in jalapenos acts as a natural pain reliever by blocking pain signals to the brain. This makes it effective in managing various types of pain, including headaches, migraines, and neuropathic pain. Incorporating jalapenos into your diet can be a flavorful way to help manage chronic pain conditions. 8. Enhances immunity. The high vitamin C content in jalapenos boosts your immune system by stimulating the production of white blood cells, which are crucial for fighting off infections. Additionally, the antioxidants in jalapenos help protect your body from harmful pathogens and reduce inflammation, further supporting immune health. 9. Versatile culinary ingredient. Beyond their health benefits, jalapenos are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. They can be used fresh, pickled, or cooked in a variety of dishes, from salsas and salads to soups and stews. Their unique flavor profile adds depth and excitement to meals, making healthy eating more enjoyable. Incorporating jalapenos into your diet can provide numerous health benefits, from boosting metabolism and aiding weight loss to supporting heart health and enhancing immunity. The capsaicin in jalapenos offers powerful anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties, while their rich nutrient content supports overall well-being. So, the next time you're looking to spice up your meals, reach for a jalapeno and enjoy both the flavor and the health benefits these fiery peppers have to offer.